Hello everybody, this is your teacher Lenny Irvin, and I'm trying something strange. I'm going to make a little video to show you what the final portfolio actually looks like. I know you've got a lot of questions, and I'm doing this kind of strange. The door is closed so no one knows that I'm doing this strange thing, talking to myself. I'm in my office, and in a second we're going to look at some of these portfolios so you can see what they're like. But I'm using my digital camera, so I'm going to be moving it around. I won't be a talking head the whole time. You can see my office here. I'll give you a little tour of my windowless cave and all my stacks of paper. You can see all my stacks of paper. But here, got my computer. I know it doesn't show very well, but off our course homepage is the link that displays the final portfolio, and that's got the written instructions. But let's actually look at a print one. So here's what the portfolio looks like, and pardon my moving camera, but you want to have it in one of these 2-pocket folders that has the middle brad in it. See how it's got the middle brad? And what you're going to want is to have your final revised copies, because everything in the portfolio needs to be revised. Let me just take this out so you don't see this person's grade. And so in the middle will be all the revised finished drafts, and then on the left will be the print copies of earlier drafts. So one of the things that's going to be kind of hard is because I've been doing a lot of the audio feedback, but if you can bring in the probably the drafts from Blackboard, you're able to print drafts, able to turn it into a file and then print it, and it has my comments, and I usually have a rubric in there with feedback on the rubric, so can bring those things in. And what's nice about this with a portfolio is that it completes the publishing circle for you, or the writing process. We've done a lot of drafts, we've shared them, you've worked on it a lot, and really you need to complete the circle by polishing it off and finishing it and publishing it. So you see this portfolio's got a cover page. You're going to want a table of contents, like any book, and then there are going to be different writing pieces in here, and essays, as well as at least 2 essays, and then 7 other pieces of writing that we've done in the course. And you can choose anything that you want to go in there. As far as the essays, one of those essays at least needs to be one of the revised essays that not revised, I mean one of the essays that has research in it. So here's another one, a little older one, and one of the things we'll do is what you write in the final, which is going to be about what you've learned in the class and how it's displayed in your portfolio, will go in as a kind of preface. Emily had put it at the end. But here's Stevie's table of contents, her different writings, and she had put her earlier drafts in the right-hand pocket. So you want to have as much showing evidence of your revision as you can. So from the copy that you had turned in as a final draft originally, if you then revise it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times more, go ahead and bring in those other drafts so that I can see that you've worked quite a bit between the draft turned in and the one that you put in the portfolio. I have to think about whether I'm going to ask you. I think I might, with the 2 essays, have you do compare draft versions, but I'm not sure if I'll do that. So this is a little video. I think that gives you a picture of what you're after, and these are due when you come in for the final exam. You are going to need to come in for in person and turn these in. And I'm going to ask you when you come into the final that you give me your mailing address, and if you're able to spare a few dollars to help cover expenses, I want to mail these back to you so you get them. Anyway, I think that's it for the little video showing you what the portfolio looks like. I hope this helps, and please send me any questions if you've got them. So good luck putting this together. It's a lot of fun, and a lot happens when you put together the last portfolio. So I'll look forward to seeing you and seeing them. Bye-bye.